Hello, and welcome to this episode of Tech How. My name is Anthony, and today I'll be demonstrating how you can utilize the Message Defense Outlook add-in. First, go to a web browser and go to login.messagedefense.net. Click Download Outlook Add-in Installer, and at the top right hand corner you may see a message that says that the Outlook add-in installer cannot be downloaded securely. Hover over the text and go to the three dots, click on Keep, and Keep Anyway. Once the add-in has been downloaded, click on Open File, and this will initiate the installation process. Click on Next through the wizard, I accept the terms and conditions, and click Install. Once Message Defense has been installed and you click on Finish, Microsoft Outlook will then open up automatically for you. Once Microsoft Outlook has opened up automatically, you can quickly navigate to find out if Message Defense is installed by going to the far right and identifying Barracuda networks, and where you have the option to identify messages as spam or not spam. For example, this 365 messaging center email, if I click on this and I mark it as spam, the message gets taken away. If you go to File in the top left hand corner and go to Barracuda Networks and click Configure, this is a small control panel for you to alter the settings that Message Defense uses to identify what messages will be considered as spam and what to do with them. You also have a couple of options for whitelisting email addresses, such as adding the recipients of outbound email to the whitelist, and also a statistics table to indicate which messages have been classed as spam and which ones have not been classed as spam. Once you've altered the settings to your liking, you can click OK, and those settings will take effect immediately. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. If you get stuck at any point in this tutorial, please do drop us a call on 01724 400 304, or drop us an email to it@hbp-group.co.uk.